On this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to clean out your dryer vent. So make sure you stay tuned. Hey there friends, welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe and notification bells. You can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. So cleaning out your dryer vent ducting is very important. At least you should do it once a year. The reason being for that is over time, whenever you start using your dryer vent, all that lint builds up throughout the whole vent duct and accumulates on the walls of your dryer vent duct, and this would cause a fire hazard. Now, it's very easy to do this job. All you need is a simple tool, which I'll be showing you right here in a bit. With that being said, let's get to it. This is the dryer vent kit that I'll be using to clean out my dryer vent today. If you're interested on the same kit, I'll leave the link on the description down below. Check those out. And it consists of a lot of these rods. So these are connectable depending on how long your vent duct is. Also comes with electrical tape. It's very important that every time that you connect a rod, you take your electrical tape, wrap it a few times around, leave a little bit of a buddy tab like this so that you can easily peel this out right after you're done. Now the reason why you want this tape is so that this doesn't disconnect while you're feeding this right through the tube, and while this is spinning, it doesn't accidentally disconnect, and this will end up in your tube run or your vent run, and it's going to create more problems. So you don't want that to happen. Here's one of the main brushes that you will connect this to. It will be in a clockwise manner like so. Here's the cap that it comes with. Just take out the cap right there. Just feed this right through and put this inside the vent. All this. Put your shop vac right over here so that while you're spinning, everything is getting sucked out and you don't have all this dust blowing on your face. Here are all the additional stuff that the kit comes with. Secondary brush with this longer brush, vacuum connecting hose, this little grabber like so. If you're interested on this kit, I'll leave the link on the description down below. Check out those links. It's very easy to connect one of these rods to the end of your drill. Put it on the clockwise position and tighten it up just like that. Make sure it's always going clockwise whether you're going in or out. Never go reverse, because if you go reverse, there's a tendency that this might disconnect and fall off your drill. If you have an electric dryer, simply just unplug your dryer first. Now if your dryer is gas, just shut off the gas valve. Now this is your dryer. Here's the duct that goes to that main entry duct that goes out to your house. This is connected by a banding that has this key. It makes it easier to take these things out. I don't need any other tool, but if you do have a screwdriver or flathead, there should be banding that you can unscrew that and you can easily pop this out. There is some buildup of lint all the way around that duct. But to fully show you how much lint actually is on the walls of these ducts, I'm going to be using this endoscope by Duct. Now as I'm feeding this through, you can see how much lint is around those walls. This is just a few months of this being used. I actually replaced the whole ducting before. It fell on the crawl space and we'd had to replace it with a new duct. And look how much it already has accumulated around the walls. First off, it's a fire hazard buildup. This will actually cause your dryer not to fully work to its full potential. That's why maybe whenever you dry your clothes, it's not getting dry or it's taking such a long time to dry. So you want to take this rod, put it right on the inside of the adapter, feed it now right through, just like that. You're going to close it off, put this cap adapter. So what I suggest is that not every time this adapter will fit. So get yourself some masking tape and just mask it right around like this. Because every situation is different. Like mine's not gonna fully fit around. So you gotta make do what you got. Now you can do this two ways. You can attach all the rods together at once, or depending on how you want to gauge it, you can do it one by one as you go. I'm gonna go attach two rods first. If you don't have the right adapter, like I don't have the right one, so what you can do is you can take that masking tape and then wrap it around the tube. There you go. Easy solution. Let's turn on the vacuum and let's start drilling this right through. I'm gonna attach now the drill. Remember, clockwise manner. Now you can just slowly, you don't want to go too fast, you just want to slowly just feed it right through there. And again, just go slowly with your drill. Don't go way too fast. And from here on, stop. And if you want to connect another rod, if you haven't reached your end point yet, then you can connect it now. Make sure you tape it so it doesn't disconnect. Leave a buddy tab. Connect it again to your drill. And go again. Right through it. Nice and slow. I have my depth stick, my endoscope at the very end that's connected to my phone, so that when this is when the end reaches that, I could see it through my phone that I've reached the end. Or you can have somebody at the other end of this duct watch it while you're doing this, and they can tell you when it's reached. And just back out. So friends, sorry to interrupt, but we here at Fix This House have finally made a membership program. Just click that join button right next to the subscribe button and join a membership. We only have one tier at the moment, but it will greatly help out the channel, and we will give you some great perks that come along with it. If you're interested, check out the link on the description down below, or just click that join button and see all the great perks that we provide here at Fix This House. Thank you so much. Let's get back to the video. This is currently my dryer vent. This is a pretty cool vent. If you haven't installed one of these in your home yet, check out this video that I made. This is a really cool design. It has this cap that has a floating for the top. As you can see, all you gotta do is place this on top and it will float on the top. Now, if you're interested in doing this is very efficient and energy saving. Check out this video right here. I'll leave the link up here. Watch this video after you watch this video. Okay, so I'm just gonna prop this open so you can kind of see that thing come out of there. Once you see that, then you can start feeding that back out and you're all done. When you're pulling out, make sure it's still going in a clockwise on your drill. Very important you put a buddy tab, because it's easier to take out the tape that way. Use a little bit of tools and pliers to loosen it up. There we go. If you want to take this, and if you want to feed this through your vent duct to your dryer as well, put your vacuum right here and just do a quick clean like that. There you go. So just by looking from the outside, you can see how much cleaner that is now. Now imagine that all the way through that vent duct to the outside. Easy. Advantage of having these key banding is super easy. You don't need a screwdriver or flathead. Again, if you need one of these key banding that you want to replace with yours, I'll leave the link on the description down below. But all you have to do now is just connect it, position it, and tighten as you go. Now I did count how many rods it took for me to get to the outside. Now make sure that you remember this number of rods, so the next time that you do this job, you don't have to guesstimate how much rods it is, so you know exactly what length of vent ducting that you have. And it turns out I came out to 14 rods total to get to the other side. So that's a good thing to keep in mind. You need one of these kits, this cleaning rod kit for your vent duct. I'll leave the link on the description down below, friends. Again, you want to take some extra step as well. You want to go inside your dryer and clean out the vent trap or the trap that's already built into your dryer. Make sure you clean those out. You can also take out the other end of this vent duct, go into your dryer and vacuum the inside of this dryer where it connects on the inside. And that should complete everything. But again, friends, I highly suggest that you do this at least once a year. It will greatly help out your dryer. It'll make your dryer last longer. It'll make it more efficient, and it also will prevent, most especially prevent fires inside your home, because lint is very, very flammable. If you made it this far to the video, friends, thank you so much. Let me know in the comment section down below what you thought of this cleanup, this easy DIY, and leave in the comment section down below what methods do you do to clean out your dryer vent. Leave it in the description down below and share it with the community. Again, friends, if you found this video super helpful, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe notification bell, and I'll see you, friends, on the next video.